Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you use Microsoft Word for free. So for using it for free, search here Microsoft Word and then go to this link, free online document editing with Microsoft Word, and just wait. So here you can see the Microsoft website is opened. So as it is loading, so just wait. So here you can see it is showing sign in or sign up. So if you have not registered with the Microsoft, you can register yourself from clicking here sign up for free. As I am already registered, so I am clicking here sign in. So just wait. The Microsoft Word is loading, and here you can see this is showing create blank document. So I am clicking on it. So here you can see the Microsoft Word is open in the web form. So from here you can create documents in the way whatever you want. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.